Some things in life are surprising, like did you know that most alcoholic beverages contain all 13 minerals necessary to sustain human life? Or that approximately 1% of the world's population is drunk at any given moment? Maybe you're one of them. Or how about the fact that a single sperm has the equivalent of 37.5 megabytes of DNA information in it? This means that a normal ejaculation equates to a data transfer of over 1,500 terabytes. Tell that to an iguana, koala, or Komodo dragon, which all have 2 penises. Or better yet, the kangaroo, which actually has 3 vaginas. The male octopus, on the other hand, often tears off his mating arm, places it inside the female, and then swims off somewhere to die. How romantic. The average person walks the equivalent of 3 times around the world in a lifetime. Meanwhile, if the population of China walked past you in a single file line, it would take about 30 years considering the rate of reproduction. But after only 2 weeks, a pair of their pants will have grown 1,000 bacteria on the front, 2,500 on the back, and 10,000 on the crotch. And did you know that the Apple iPhone is the second best-selling product of all time after the Rubik's Cube, which actually has 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489,856,000 possible configurations. Much like a deck of cards, which when shuffled will result in a configuration that has never existed ever before. How can this be? The simple mathematical calculation shows that the possible arrangements of a deck of cards are monumental. Or how about the fact that oxygen is required for combustion and hydrogen is flammable gas, but together they make water, which puts fire out. Before the eraser was invented, bread was used to remove pencil marks, while peanut butter under extremely high pressure can be turned into diamonds. That's one useful sandwich. And if you feel like a warm cup of coffee with that, try yelling for 8 years, 7 months, and 6 days, which should produce enough sound energy to heat your coffee up. Strange as it may be, the brain actually named itself. And finally, a physicist studying atoms is really just atoms trying to understand themselves. Got a burning question you want answered? Ask it in the comments or on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe for more weekly science videos.